Let's cook pork liempo with eggplant and bagoong like no other. A favorite with my camper friends. Let's get cooking! Let me tell you why my camper friends absolutely love my pork liempo with eggplant and bagoong. They said that the pork belly is pan grilled to crispy perfection while staying juicy and tender. The eggplant is cooked until it's melt in your mouth soft, soaking up all the rich flavors. Hindi tinipid. Adding savory bagoong brings a delicious umami punch while fresh onion add a crisp, sweet contrast. The green chilies and labuyo give it a spicy kick and a squeeze of calamansi juice adds a refreshing tangy finish. It's a bold flavor-packed dish that's perfect for any campfire gathering. Try it on your next camping trip and you'll see why it's a crowd favorite.